Families drown in debt while CEOs cash checks. Do not let these people win. Stay mad and stay focused. In America, we are told that violence is a personal failure. It's either a crime, a single moment of rage, or absolute madness. There is a much quieter violence that operates on a massive scale, cloaked in corporate branding and polished press releases. This is the violence of healthcare in America. Denying life-saving care to children and their families, burying families in debt, absolutely inflating profits while patients suffer or are unalived. This kind of cruelty is slow but deliberate. It's just being labeled as just business. America spends more on healthcare than like any other country, but we are one of the most unhealthy. Not just a failure, it's an intentional choice. The priorities of the industry are very clear. It's profits over people. Insurance companies claim to guard us from unnecessary care, but what they're really guarding is their profit margin. Their tools, prior authorization hoops, endless billing, inflated costs, designed to squeeze every last dime from people that are already struggling. Oh, the fragility of this system is starting to crack under public anger. An Ivy League graduate recently unalived a CEO, which sent absolute shockwaves through corporate boardrooms. But he wasn't the usual scapegoat for violence. Not mentally ill, not undocumented, not wielding a stolen weapon. This is not a crime that they can write off or ignore. And let's be honest, the fear gripping them right now is not about their personal safety. It's about the boiling rage of millions of Americans who have absolutely had enough. The CEO wanted posters that are going up everywhere just shows how deep this anger runs. Decades of exploitation, medical neglect, and denial are pushing people to the absolute brink. Some people wanted to point fingers and blame the McDonald's employee. Blaming this McDonald's employee is easier than confronting the truth. This system fails every one of us. The entire structure that keeps us sick, poor, and desperate. Right now, the ultra-wealthy know that we are angry. They see the rage building, and they're scared, but they're also prepared. Prepared to use every single trick in the book. Distraction and division and outright lies convince us that somebody else is the real enemy. They will pit us against each other while they continue to profit off of our suffering. Do not let them win. Stay mad and stay focused.